So today we're actually going to be doing something a little bit different. Again, like last time, we installed GitHub. This time, we're installing Git for Windows. Well, if you don't have Windows, so just search Git Bash. Then it's just Git for Windows. No, it doesn't. It is. Just go to download. Yeah. So remember, it's not Git. It's Git for Windows. Git, if you've got Windows, it means it's Git for Windows. I actually am not sure about if you haven't got Windows, so you might want to go look it up on a certain Google or whatever. So if you've got Windows, it means it's cool. You just click download, then it should download it for you. I'm gonna cancel that because we've already got Git installed. So installing Git, all you need to do is just go through everything except in the installer where it goes for default. Go and click Visual Studio Code for your default. Okay, so just your Visual Studio Code as default for installing Git. So once you've got Git installed, you should just be able to go Git bash, and it should open something like this. There you go. It's a bit small. Make it bigger. Big boy. You've got your Git. Ta-da. You've got Git. This is Git. This is Git bash. Not particularly impressive, but this is Git bash. We don't need this now. What we do need is Visual Studio Code. And in Visual Studio Code, we're going to want to go to our terminal. Just grab the bottom thing, handle, and pull it up. It should be bright blue when you hover over it. I have bash because I've set it up. You definitely won't have bash. So you're going to need to get bash. Luckily, it's not that hard. Control comma to open settings. Please go away. Features. Terminal. Keep scrolling down until you see Integrated Default Profile, Windows, and Git bash. Easy peasy. Once you've selected Git bash, close and reopen. Sorry. Now, if you open your terminal, it should work. If it doesn't, that means you've done something very, very wrong and you've probably destroyed. I'm kidding. You haven't done anything. So grab the little handle. A bit hard to grab, but once you've grabbed it, pull it up. Please, I don't want to untick it, but I also don't. Now that we've got this, we just need to set everything up. So, what we're going to want to do is initialize a Git repository inside this little folder called Lesson 2. Which, well, I've got that. You might want to create another folder because the next thing that we're going to be doing, we're going to create a new index.html file we're going to learn about headings and tables. So go to lesson 2. Hopefully you've got it. So we want to change our directory that we are in. Hence CD, change directory. So we're going to want a CD into lesson 2. Just drag and drop. Super easy. Enter. Wow. Now we are inside this directory, which is what we want. Now that we're in the right directory, we're going to want to initialize Git, which is Git init. Now that we've initialized it, let's add all the files that we have, which will add this to Git's checking. So like, oh nice, he's got these files. Who would have guessed? Anyways, Git commit these files. Make sure you have a .m, otherwise you're going to be dealing with a big problem. So just have .m and then open your comment or whatever. Say so this is going to be the name of your commit. So every commit, it's like a new version that you're making. Almost. So if we just go to this one, this is source control. You see, we've got one commit here, which is cool. Now that you've got that, we're going to want to get everything ready. So, sorry, I stopped recording and I closed, and it's a bit annoying. Now I need to reopen it. github.com, and in github.com, so I actually changed it because of problems with Visual Studio Code. You can't have 2 accounts in there. So just go to new repository. Yeah, whatnot. Sorry. Make sure none of these, I think we've created. Sorry about that. So now that we've got this, this is important. This is important. Copy this. Just click the little copy. Go back to Visual Studio Code. Git. Remote. Add. Origin. Then paste. That should work. Next up, we put git push set upstream origin master. That should work, hopefully. Come on. Come on. And it works. I'm a wizard. Well, I'm not a wizard, but I'm a web developer, and that's good enough. In fact, that's better. So now if you see, if we've just reloaded that, you've got your stuff, your code. It's here. Your beautiful, great programming skills with 0 lines of code. It's beautiful. So this is, yeah, so everything just comes here. You can see your commit line, everything you'd ever want to see. So this is it's a great way to do it. Also, what you can do, go to settings. You're going to want, go to GitHub pages, deploy from a branch, set this to master. Yeah, root. Then save. Also, you might want to go to general, scroll all the way down and disable branch protection rules. It just helps speed up the process. So now anyone can see your beautiful work if they have the URL. Guess what? It's building. Just go to summary, it's easier. So here. And this is your beautiful website. If not added anything. Looks like this. So in the next video, we're going to do tables and headers. So for all of that and more, I'll see you there.